There's a problem. Why this? You can't tell me people are here and they are not dropping their comments. People are here and they are not dropping their comments. I don't just. Wow. And I don't want to end this live stream. I just don't want to end this live stream. I hope I have not lost. Yeah, the rain is stopping. I think this would be a very good time to get the questions answered. Oh my word, why are the messages not dropping? And I don't want to cut this live stream. Wow. To start all over again is not that. What do I do so that I can see the messages? Okay. I can't, I don't even know. Okay, let me just say. Hello? Okay, my voice is clear. It's just for me to see the messages. Okay, let me just say. Hello? Okay, my voice is... Welcome to my channel. Thank God. Oh. How am I losing people like this when the rain has gone and everything is so clear like this? Welcome to my channel. Let me know where you're watching me from. And let me know if you have any question concerning the last two videos that I made on corsets and bustiers. That's what this video is about. Everybody understands it that way. Welcome to my channel. Oh, how will a question and answer not go well without chatting, without seeing the chats? How do I know? Continue your work.
No, without.
Oh. Have you called Oga?
No.
Call him now. Hmm? Okay. Welcome to my channel. I don't know. This is vertical. Welcome to my channel. Let me know where you're watching me from. The rain is back. Okay. This is not nice at all. I have to leave the house so that I can come here to make this. I think I have to end this live stream here because I can't even see any of you people's chats. So this is going to be wow. I can't see any chats. What? Nice chats. Live chat is fun. Look all the live. Hi, Godo. Hi. I can't see anything. God. What just happened? Should I just end this and continue?